Nonkuno abapa ho sima no aduonu no made somamba ha Adom TV de yejono ye Kasiebo Tau At miam de kase ne somedin edokatachi eje iskapa fensem no mesho ase de fra sante mantam no emu na osofo no hwe kwantempon sem so kwasi ya mwakwata ensem bia ode atodwan ne sade hye mo binsem a wo mo kase kumrawu abaton peso so kwantempon so nsiesia no mo ye no magya ne nyina no enya de se no kure bia ewom.
Seeing the massive work being done, in Kumawu itself, in all the major towns, which form part of the scope of work given to the contractor. You saw all the repairs and the media work being done and being undertaken by the constructor, right from grabbing through Efijasi to Oyuko, Dadiase and Wono, to Kumawu here, to Bodomase, to Besoro, and to Raso. And you saw the many machines, on the road and on site. Even many more are being added. The contractor has even increased the number of his gangs from 4 to 6.
Eguso ejina sante mantam no emu no panyi bia wo so medical doctor edwane to appeal court ye no sante mantam no mo sempanyfo bi be sensia bia wo mo ka Kumase club no ho no wo mo sem bia mo ka to no so no egu no ho fi pandin ka appeal court no enhwe na nka mo mboa no we sansemi ho abra court ekwa asetena mo ka asem we nyina wie no wasabu ade ati opanyin
no mo suspect no na omo ye investigations omo hu ye no na onye medical doctor and publish issue to members of the club. And now can say when you doctor into a quack doctor or a fake doctor impersonator among others. Or you say my defame no the court or ask a court for damages of 5 million cedis. And now High Court dismiss court making findings. Say in fact when you medical doctor and representing who as a medical doctor to members of the club, including Mpanyinfui, until a quack doctor, and court no as I award cost of 100,000 against him for each of the respondents. There were 6 until 600,000.
In first sentimentam ne mo na afie ni enhwe MPP amanyoko no wo mo asoye no panyi ba ko wo hwe so betime to frank ide amanyoko no Alan Kwadwo Chematin make say ni hwehye bi keto biara inso campaign no opa ho ntoma na no ye dwumade bia wo hwe se obetime de bobo ska bia no de amanyoko no na afempino nye do no nan no etumi aboa wo mo
wo ye bibi na se aisha wo ka ho a wo confidence Sadia yina ka ho ana sabi edi tumi ni ba ti sami sanyame abdonameti jubilee house madwini mu nyame ni se masa ade no nya wonko ana ukoye ye wo betra asumpie so a wo jawa numu no wo ye ne se mesoso
insemi so na mejina na no pe Kasiebo mede somye no bede nyina no asimedin edokatachi eje sikapa.